How to log out of Apple Music on your iPhone. Logging out of Apple Music is simple and can be done in few easy steps. But you have to remember, logging out of Apple Music will also sign you out from other Apple services like iTunes and App Store. Firstly, go to Settings. Here you have to choose the first option, that is your name. Tap on your name. And now there are many options, as you can see. Tap on Media and Purchases. In this given option, tap on the first option, which is called Sign Out, which will ultimately help you to sign out from your Apple Music accounts. If you again want to access these services, you'll need to sign back with your Apple ID and password. In such way, you can log out of Apple Music. If you found my video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.